Maya wrote in a gratitude journal every morning for 19 days. Then 3 mornings in a row, she didn't. Most habit apps should have shamed her back. Arrive doesn't. This is Arrive. 1 minute a day. The gentler the accountability, the higher the return rate. Arrive opens with one question. How do you arrive today? 38 named emotions, grouped by weight. From the moment Maya picks one, the rest of the screen tunes to what she chose. Because she picked anxious, the mindfulness agent runs first, a short breathing or grounding exercise. The user can skip, most don't. Then, the reflection agent writes a paragraph of witness, shaped to her mood, and the journal opens. Three things make Arrive genuinely agentic, not a journal with a chatbot bolted on. First, adaptive strategies. The insight agent receives the last 7 entries: emotion streak, average length, missed days, dominant feeling. After 3 anxious mornings, the reply shortens and softens. The gold chip is the system telling the user, in plain language, what it noticed before responding to today. That's adapt based on what the user is actually carrying, not on paper. Second, agent coordination. When Maya wrote anxious, the mindfulness agent had already switched from breathing to grounding, because breath work on entrenched anxiety can worsen it. The reflection agent shortened its paragraph. The insight agent kept its reply under 12 words. Three agents, one shared context object, one voice rulebook. Nobody is repeating themselves at the user. Nobody is congratulating them either. When she misses a day, the grace agent writes the re-entry. One soft sentence, no guilt. Grace days are pure math. One per month. Automatic. Third, ceremonies that interpret a month, a milestone, a year. Every 30 mornings, the monthly insights agent writes a witness paragraph in the user's name, while a rose curve pendant weaves itself in their dominant emotions color, anchored to each user's personal start date. Milestones at day 7, 100, 200, 250, 300, a single quiet line each, and at 365, the yearly insights agent composes a year in review paragraph addressed by name, while the chain becomes a year necklace. 12 pendants, pick one, carry it forward permanently. Throughout, the memory agent keeps the rest within reach. On a passionate day, it pulls a past entry semantically, matched to today's mood and hands the user back their own words. Arrive runs on Azure end-to-end. Front-end, vanilla JavaScript and Azure Static Web Apps. Back-end, Fast API on Azure App Service. The 7 AI agents are deployed through Azure AI Foundry and called via the Microsoft Agent Framework. Authentication is system-assigned managed identity with default Azure credential. There are no client secrets in environment variables. Persistence is Azure Cosmos DB. Semantic memory resurface runs on Azure AI Search. Two-timer triggered Azure functions fire daily and filter per user so insights land on each user's personal day 30 and day 365. The whole footprint fits on Azure free tiers. The non-obvious piece in that diagram, the adaptive layer, is pure Python, no model call. It reads 7 entries, extracts 5 signals, and every agent system prompt gets a tight adaptation block appended at call time. The same context objects travels through reflection, insight, and mindfulness, visible to the user as that gold noticing chip. Arrive handles real personal disclosures, so safety isn't optional. Every entry runs through a crisis classifier before any AI call. Disclosures of abuse, self-harm, or suicidal ideation never reach the model and never save to the chain. The user sees real resources, 988, crisis text line, etc. Everywhere else, user-authored text is wrapped in user entry tags with an explicit guideline in every system prompt, defending against indirect prompt injection. Arrive is built, the agents reason, the ceremonies land, the chain holds. 7 AI agents, 3 support modules, 1 adaptive layer, 2 Azure functions, 1 shared voice, 1 morning at a time.